아이스 킹 알아요?
Be on your
아이스.
guard. He's hiding somewhere.
He's hiding from
So, what is the Ice King's deal?
hiding from the
Apart from his interior design.
He is the most evil and dangerous menace alive. And if not defeated, the entire Underlands will fall into eternal winter.
दोनों दाढ़ी वाले ही है
Mia?
Look what I found.
यही है
Step
इसको मारना है
away
बिल्ली को
from the cat.
Aren't you the cutest?
इससे
That's
इसी
the
तरह
Ice King.
This little guy? Get out of here.
I based him on our neighbor's cat. That devious little monster was always up to mischief, stalking us, killing birds, mice, squirrels, everything.
Zoe, we are not killing a cat.
Pet me or die, human.
What?
इसी देखा
Pet me or die.
Whoa. Take it easy, Snowball.
Oh, death it is then. Whoosh! May I ask who dares disturb me without giving me cuddles?
We're here to end your icy reign of terror once and for all.
Rarely do I ever get humans on my menu. Oh, poor me. But, sweet lord, today must be my lucky day.
ये आइस किंग है ये आइस किंग
He shapeshifts too! The pearl is his source of power. We need to destroy it.
Kitty wants to play.
चलो मुझे ट्राई सो चलो 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 चलो
नीचे है निकल जाता है क्या आ रहा है
Whoa! This doesn't feel like
क्या आएगा
flying! Just stay
देखो
alive!
नहीं क्या राइट में आएगा
वैसे कुकिंग लगाओ तो ट्राई करना